Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make floating text effect in CapCut. So here you can first start a project with a black background like this, then just write your text. Okay, so I'm going to just write the name of this channel. Then you can change the font or the style to how you like it. I'm going to go with this one right here. And after that, just export this. So after you're done exporting, you can just exit this project and then open the videos that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to add the text into this project right here. So just use overlay and then add the video that you just exported before, the text video. Then go to splice or blend and use filter. Just go with 100. Click on the check icon and now go to the video effects and find the ripple distortion effect. Okay, this ripples. Click on the effects. You can adjust it how you like it, but first you need to click on object and apply it to the overlay, so it will only apply to the text like this. Don't forget to adjust the length. And the second one, I'm going to add the edge glow effect. So find the lens category and then find the edge glow to apply to also to the text. This one, I'm going to click on object again and choose overlay. And now you are done. You can position the text to how you like it. I'm going to go with here. And this is the final result. So that's how you can make a floating text effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye!